We are pleased to show you the 2016 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, keyless entry, leather trim seats, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.